If you run your budget on cold brew coffee like I do, you need one of these. So this is a cold brew coffee brewer, 1 gallon size jug from Zulay Kitchen. This is beautiful, perfectly designed to fit in your fridge. I love that it's a rounded square shape so that it's not going to take up more space in the fridge. Obviously, the convenience of having the pour spout right there so you never have to pull it out of the fridge is fantastic. This is a super fine mesh cylinder that fits perfectly right inside. I don't know if you can actually see the little holes in there, but this is actually a mesh. What's really cool about this is I'm gonna just set this right on top of this. It's gonna be 16 ounces. Now this update is very late in coming. It's almost gone. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how this pour spout works like a charm with no leaks or anything. No drips. The little tab here is plastic, but this is metal. It does a great job of not dripping after you close this little guy. And you can also tighten it if it needs tightening, this screw right here. That's it. This is the Zulay Kitchen cold brew maker. So nice. Highly recommend this.